Today we're solving the lifelong question of what motor is best. We're gonna go with a single leaf blower motor to a double backpack blower to an electric motor.
What's top speed?
Half a knot. I don't even know what a knot is. To a 2 horse, to a 4 horse. Oh, I ran out of gas! Yeah! All the way up to a 100 pound, 8 horse, 4-stroke Honda motor. Now I'm pretty sure that motor is gonna make that boat sink. Oh my. Oh, I'm as nervous as you are. All aboard! All right, it's time to load these babies up. Thankfully, we have the assistance of my wonderful videographer, Fisher. Look at this one, ready? Just so you know, we only have 1 key for all the motors. The 2 that I got yesterday didn't even come with keys. Hey, Fisher had a key in it. Fisher, did you steal this from me? Get your videographer that has extra spare boat motor keys in this car. And this is his car. He's letting me load the motor in his truck. Make sure there's no drippy. Gasket is tight. If it spills, I'll have it dry clean. It's a little bit heavier. You can see this taking a little more weight for the tuggy. Don't want to squash his trail mix. Now squish the buoy in between there and there. Yeah, just like a glove. Still snug as a bug in a rug. And for your optimal filming pleasure, we have a second life raft here. Also for my safety, just in case you need rescue. We got this dinghy right here for the videographers and for the safety crew, which are the same people. The videographers, they are the safety. We're not a big operation here. Roughly 85 pounds. 1, 2, 3. Lift with your back to save your knees. Just kidding, kids. Don't lift with your back. That's not going anywhere. That's the most dad thing to say. Let's do this thing. The Old Faithful. We're still gonna test this and compare it to the rest. I personally think this will still be better than the single leaf blowers, but I'd love to know what you think. I guess in the last video, my buddy said I was holding that fishing rod totally upside down. Ain't got no gas in it. Have you seen that video?
It ain't got no gas in it.
Oh, it almost hit me in the face. We're all rocked and ready to roll. Locked and ready to roll. Rocked and ready to go. I'm already tired. Let's do it.
What in the world? What is he doing? He's like in the extra slow lane? That's the new hybrid lane. What is going on?
In Oregon, you used to not be able to put your own gas until about a year ago. And now you can. So everyone had to learn how. Weird to not know how to do it, but if you've never done it your whole life, why would you know how? Have a good day. Oh, thank you. I built it myself for my daughters, but I gotta take the maiden voyage, you know.
There you go, yeah. That's awesome.
Thank you.
Stoked.
Woo, my life jacket. Always wear your life jacket. Forward and reverse have gotten switched somehow. That's okay.
Cool, man.
Yeah!
I love it.
You guys let me get in with my phone in my pocket. That could have been a catastrophe. What kind of safety crew we got going here? We're not a big operation here.
Love it.
That's almost the same size motor we're putting on that. Test 1, a single handheld leaf blower. Do you think it's even gonna move the boat? Woo! One leaf blower motor! Wow! Slightly hard to steer. What's better than one leaf blower motor? 2 handheld leaf blower motors. I can already tell it's gonna be hard to make sure they're at the same power. I would consider that a success. Hey, watch how high I can jump with this. Cue the cue music. Gosh dang it. Cue the cool music. First ball!
You need a backpack blower.
This is a bad thing.
Oh, it is? Oh,
Yeah,
it is.
oh, what if I just put it on my back? What could be worse than one backpack blower motor? 2 backpack leaf blowers strapped down. And just for the record, I don't think this is gonna work. I'm getting dizzy. A little hard to control. Good thing we got a great sport over here. So we're considering test number 4 a failure. Do not try 2 backpack leaf blowers on your tugboat. With that said, on to test number 5. Electric trolling motor. Full speed!
What's top speed?
Half a knot. I don't even know what a knot is. If you can't tie a knot, tie a lot. Test number 6 is probably my favorite motor of the entire fleet, but I'll let you decide after you watch them all. It's a 2.3 horsepower Honda motor, 4-stroke, self-contained, gas inside, a life jacket strapped to it. We got it strapped all around the front so as not to lose the motor in the water, so I'm feeling pretty safe. Too strong. Everything's going good.
Racing to the finish line. Seatbelt, fast whips, got a win in mind. See me when I skirt off, ain't no 10 in mine. Friends keep saying slow down, should've seen the signs. Riding down this dirt road, where we going, I don't know. God, please protect me, I'm halfway home. Take the wheel right now, I let go. Thinking about the ones to let go.
I think we're taking on some water, but if you keep it on plane, it seems to be fine. By far, the most successful motor. The power has pushed in a dimple in the back of my tugboat. The only thing that can fix the dimple, more power. I got a bad feeling about this. 1. Second pull, Brian. Brian did say it hadn't been ran in a while. Don't ever, no matter what, go near a propeller. Whether you think it's in neutral or you think it's off, don't go by it. And always strap your kill switch to your life vest, so if you fall off, the boat just doesn't keep going forever and leave you behind. Because with an outboard, it will do that. Test number 7 out of 8, we have the 4-horse Marine Nissan motor with forward and reverse, water cooled. She's ready to rip. I actually think this might be my favorite. Test number 6 is probably my favorite motor of the entire fleet. Oh, choke, oh. Ignition coil. Oh, frick. It'll flip over. 4-horse motor. I've sprung a leak somewhere. We're taking on water, Cap. Whoa. Are we in reverse? Oh, we are. Whoa. Neutral. There we go. This motor rips. so much power, I can't keep the front end down. I have to sit on the very front end, full throttle, so I don't do a wheelie. Gotcha! Oh, doggy wheeling! And we kissed it. Woo! The drag race. 2 boats for pinks. Ready, set, go!
Are you out of gas?
I don't know. We're gonna find out.
Oh shoot.
Oh gosh.
Oh. Blow it up?
Oh no. Well, not only did I lose the race right there, I also blew my motor. And I think it's like 99% my fault. I can vaguely remember when I bought this, him saying something about emptying the oil. I thought he meant he emptied the gas out. But I think he actually emptied all the oil out of the motor, and I didn't check. The test is done, the motor is cooked. But so is life. Sometimes you have a great time, and it costs you a marine motor. Thankfully, I bought that used for under half the value that it was worth, and hopefully you have a buddy that can fix it up like new. And when bad things come your way, you can always look on the bright side. One heck of a day out here on the water, and this is a great motor. So now I know if I'm gonna buy a new motor, I'm gonna buy this motor, but it still does sting a little. But there's nothing that being mad about it is gonna do to help the situation, other than learn for next time. Check all the oil in your motors. Not a good sign. And on the bright side, this is why we have a safety rope and my safety crew here. So they can tow me in. There's always silver lining, because I could be out here all by myself. And we still have one more motor to test. Let's get to it.
Maybe we should check it for oil.
That's a good idea. Eight horsepower. A little further up. Oh, the motor is going to tip over the tugboat. It's too heavy. It's literally resting on the ground and the tugboat's out of the water, and I don't want to contaminate the water with oil or flip the boat. Can't do it. Now let this be a lesson to everyone watching. Sometimes no matter how big your dreams are, if it's not safe, you shouldn't do it. And I don't feel like running this motor on this boat is safe for me or the environment or this lake or the fish in it. So I'm not going to run this motor on this boat. But still chase your dreams, still go after it, still borrow the motor, drag it to a lake and see if it'll work, but always put your safety first. So with that said, I'm not gonna run the motor on this boat, but that doesn't mean I'm not gonna run it on this boat.